Good morning, students. You are heartily welcome to Gnanajyoti PU College and Accountancy class. Myself, Manjula. So many students were absent in the last class. So once again, I give my introduction. Myself, Manjula. My qualification is MCOM B.Ed. I have totally 6 years completed my experience. I will teach both accountancy and business studies. Okay. In last class, I have taught you about what are all the options available in commerce. If you choose commerce, which professionals you can become. That is, example, bank manager you can become, chartered accountant, ICW, Indian cost and work accountant, financial analyst, financial advisor, a lecturer you can become, and you can also become an entrepreneur. Entrepreneur we can give here. Entrepreneur is a person who is going to organize or set up a business. We can give some example for entrepreneur: Dhirubhai Ambani, Sudha Murthy, Tata Birla. We can give so many examples. Okay, they are all entrepreneur. Entrepreneur is a person who is going to organize or set up a business in the future. Okay, set up a business. You can in our class also so many people can become a entrepreneur in the future. We can see as a entrepreneur in the future. Okay, so these are all the options available if you choose. Yeah, if you choose commerce, you can also do MCOM and MBA. So many engineering students now, they are after finishing their MBA engineering, they are joining MBA and they are entering so many IT companies or organizations. So they are getting a job due to that MBA. That is, MBA is a professional course in commerce. So many engineering students, they are joining MBA and they are entering the organization or IT companies. So now the most important, the scope is for commerce. Here commerce is nothing but here we will teach you how to make money. Okay, here commerce is going to teach you how to make money in this world, competitive world, and how to survive in this competitive world. Okay, so today I want to give you about the introduction to accounting. In introduction to accounting, first we will know the meaning of accounting. Accounting is the process of identifying, measuring and communicating economic information to permit informed judgment and decision by users of the information. Here, identifying means we are going to determine the business transaction. Which type of business he is doing, what business he is doing. Here first we are going to identify the business transaction. Second one is measuring. Value of business transaction in terms of money. Here the business transaction will be measured in terms of money. How much we are going to invest this money, how much profit we are going to earn. All this will be measured in terms of money. So third one is recording, entering in the books and as and when occurs. Here recording means we are going to record what are all the income, what are all the expenses as and when the business is going to occur. Okay. Next one is classifying, grouping the entries. We are going to group here entries, that is purchase, sales, cash, credit. Like this we are going to classify the entries. Here we are going to classify the entries. That is, in business we are the various transactions are there. That is, purchase we are going to do purchase return. First we are going to purchase the raw material. Then we are going to, if there is any damage, we are going to return. That is purchase return. Sales returns will be there. That we are going to record and we are going to group it and record. Next is summarizing. Then we are going to prepare a financial statement. That is, financial statement here means we are going to find out whether the company is earning a profit or loss. Next one is analyzing and interpretation. Here we are going to take a analyze. We are making a judgment. Last one is communicating. That is, we are communicating to the creditors, bankers, loans. We are going to communicate here. Okay, this is about accounting. So I will give one live example for this accounting. Okay. here your parent is working in a XYZ company. Okay, so here working in a company is a business transaction. First we are going to determine here is business transaction is your parent is working in a company, XYZ company. This is a business transaction. Okay, second one is measuring. Here your parent is going to earn rupees 50,000 as a salary. Here we are going to measure in terms of money. Okay. Third one is recording. So here we are going to record. What we are going to record here is what is our income, what is our expenditure. So you are going to record your expenditure. Example, your expenditure is 30,000. Example, grocery 10,000, rent 10,000, electricity bill 2,000, water bill 1,000, medical expenses, etc. Like that, your expenditure will goes up to 30,000. Okay. Next, classifying or grouping the entry. You are going to group the entries, which is essential or non-essential. What are all the expenditure which are essential expenditure and non-essential expenditure? Like this, you are going to group. So first one is working in a company as a determining the business transaction. What type of business he is doing? He is working in a company. Second one is his earnings. His earnings is 50,000. Next we are going to record in the books as and when occurs. That is expenditure you are going to record. Then you are making a grouping entry, means here you are going to calculate that my income is 50,000, expenditure is 30,000, 20,000 will be our savings. So here you are going to prepare one statement, that is income minus expenditure is savings, that is 20,000. Then you are going to make analysis and interpretation, that is what here, where we have spent so much 30,000, where we are spent that much we are going to make, and we are going to take decision that 20,000 what we have to do with 20,000, whether we have to deposit that 20,000 in a bank, or whether we have to keep in a savings account or post office. Like that you are going to take some decision. Then you are going to communicate. Here both your mother and father will going to communicate what to do in future with this 20,000. So this is about live example. We are following accounting, that is knowingly or unknowingly we are applying the accounting in our life. This is a one live example, small example I have given how we are using this accounting in our day-to-day life. So here by knowingly or unknowingly we are using the accounting. Okay, so that is why I am telling accounting is reality of life. The accounting is reality. Accounting tells accounting what you are reading theoretically that you will going to experience in your life in future. Okay, so accounting tells you how to make money in future. Okay, in this competitive world, how to make money. So accounting tells you how to make and how to survive in this competitive world. So next, I want to give you how the origin of accounting take place. In the next class, I am going to tell you about how the origin of accounting took place, or birth of accounting took place.